Hi, my name is Harley, and this is my 2011 bike check. We're going to start from the front and go to the back. First off, we have ODI long neck bar ends, Revenge Industries grips, Odyssey bars,
Nice.
and haro stem, Diatech integrated headset, haro forks with a 2006 haro frame, Eastern sprocket, 3-piece haro crank with animal PC pedals, and up here we got E-clat, plastic 1-piece seat, haro seat clamp. Back here we have tire, what's it called, tire? Diamondback front tread with a mongoose front rim and hub and spokes with red dye. And at the back here we have E-clat tread, We the People E-clat rim and spokes, and Eastern hub. And I think that's it. Leave a comment if I missed anything. Oh yeah, got a purple KMC chain. Yeah, it's invisible right now because I broke it yesterday. Alright, thank you. Bye.